What made me interested in facial plastic surgery goes back to my residency in head and neck surgery at the University of Oklahoma. Everyone has some mentors and leaders that provide them guidance, and I had those during my residency. Dr. Raymond Smith observed my skills, my temperament, and my attention to detail. And he suggested that I strongly consider a career in facial plastic surgery, which was the best advice that I received. That caused me to seek a fellowship in facial plastic surgery, which I completed in Birmingham, Alabama with Dr. Galen McCullough. So it was really recognizing that I had a penchant for doing fine, meticulous surgery and paying attention to detail that caused me to move into this field. And as I became somewhat seasoned in the field of facial plastic surgery, I realized that it was much more than just doing that type of surgery, but it was the fact that I was providing a service for patients who, for whatever reason, wanted to improve their appearance, and the satisfaction that one gets by providing that kind of service is unequaled by anything else. And so facial plastic surgery has been my specialty. Never done any body surgery over the last almost 4 decades. And when you focus on one particular specialty, that's what you become good at. So as an example, over the years, I've performed approximately 4,500 facelifts, about 4,000 blepharoplasties, about 2,700 rhinoplasties, and a similar number of other procedures like chemical peels, forehead lifts, otoplasties, and not to leave out reconstructive surgery. We do a considerable amount of reconstruction after skin cancer removal, after Mohs surgery, and trying to basically repair a defect and restore the face to its original position so that scarring is minimal and there are not any noticeable deformities. I had an excellent mentor, Dr. Galen McCullough, who I trained with, who encouraged me to take on a leadership role in the American Academy of Facial Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery. Within about 4 or 5 years of finishing my training. I stayed involved with the Academy, and over a period of a few years, ascended to the position of president of that organization, which represents facial plastic surgeons throughout the world. After my term as president of the American Academy of Facial Plastic Surgery, I was elected to be president of the American Board of Facial Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery, which is the certifying organization that confers board certification on physicians. My term as president there was 3 years, but throughout my career and partly through the Academy, I have been teaching residents, teaching fellows, and had really 35 fellows that I trained who are now practicing in different parts of the country. And teaching really has been a very gratifying experience in terms of sharing my knowledge and expertise with young up-and-coming surgeons. And it's sort of a way to give back the same way that I was taught. Now I'm teaching in return. We have developed a state-of-the-art surgical facility and offices where we really have become a full full service provider in not only facial plastic surgery, but body plastic surgery and contouring, which has become Dr. Kopit's domain that he's so very good at. And then we provide skincare services, non-surgical treatments like M-Sculpt and Cool-Sculpt, fillers and injectables, and we have very two capable individuals that provide those services. Chloe Banning, who is our PA, who is very good at the non-surgical fillers and injectables, and Olivia Hesse, who is our esthetician, who does excellent skincare as well as many laser treatments. So really over the years we have come to provide this area with a full gamut of cosmetic and reconstructive plastic surgery, as well as skin enhancement through non-surgical techniques. It's been a very gratifying experience, and one that I've thoroughly enjoyed, and I'm very proud to be practicing in Vail with Dr. Kopit and providing this valley with really excellence in our field, much like there's excellence in sports medicine and other areas. We feel that we are as good as anyone when it comes to providing plastic surgery services. Facial plastic surgery is my passion, and something that I've enjoyed for all these years, and continue to do so to this day.